coming now.
station. Your cellphone. Ay. Oh,
Oh.
here you go the Kamaya Coast, guys. Welcome to Kamaya Coast. Di ba, guys? Ay, ganda dito, guys. May pa-QR code pa sila.
Hi, welcome to Kamaya Coast.
Hello.
What's your name?
Let's see. Where do we put this here? Here? There? Oh,
Can you just put your name, sir?
Roar. R-O-H-R.
How many person inside the vehicle, sir?
2.
Alright, your booking has been confirmed. Let me now proceed. Thank you.
Thank you.
I remember this all the time. Andito na naman kami. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh. Dami nilang ano. Beachfront. Wrangler. Oh, di ba guys? Oh, ang dami nilang ano.
Must be the airport. It's going to be up here. I was up at the top. I think maybe there's some houses up there.
Beachfront. Pwede ba guys? Ganda. Ganda sa aming Beachfront. Ito guys, overlooking. Welcome to Manara. Oh, ganda guys. Gaganda ng bahay dito. Laki. The one is like, looks like a big house. The one, it's like a box. Da-da-dun-dun-dun. Okay. Ang gaganda ng house. Look at that. To the beachfront. Huh? Okay. Wow, ganda. Look at this. It's too big. Oh my God. Ganda ng mga ano guys. Ang ganda ng mga bahay. Ang ganda ng bahay. Dito yung bahay nila Pokpang. Oh, diba guys? Maybe we're lost. Are we lost? Wow.
I'm going to see place.
That's nice.
See, okay, that's more
Yeah.
like it. You can put the car in there, see? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go around.
Okay. Ito guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga bahay.
Here's something like this way. That's even nicer. You got that? Yeah.
The church, my love, oh. Looks like a church.
The church.
Yeah, but that's a house. Oh, that one is nice, oh. It's too big.
It's bigger.
Sino nagsabi na hindi pa gawa ang Kamaya Coast? Gawa na yan. Ito yung bahay ni Pukpang. Oh, diba? Oh, look at the house. Look at that. What's that? Oh, guys.
They said the height limit is what? What'd she say?
9.
9 meters.
Yeah, third floor. Oh, there's a third floor.
Well, I guess you can get out of 9 meters. I guess you can. This I'd rather more like this on the third floor like that.
But looks not. It's not
You know,
good.
you do it. Why?
Mm.
You don't like that?
No,
Oh, shit. What, like that?
not really. But like modern type. You know,
Modern type.
modern type
Say
of
it.
house. This one is nice too.
That's big there. Shit, that's a big house.
Oh, guys.
Huh?
That one, yeah. Hindi pa guys. Wow. Kaganda ng bahay. Ayan na, overlooking. Oh, di-
See, he's got, and then open on the third floor up there. See
Yeah. My love, this one, no, go there.
what? Huh?
This is the, what do you call this?
What?
This is the house, the model house.
This one is?
Yeah, yeah. Ay, here?
Oh, we know. We're gonna go down here. This ain't the model house.
Yeah, this is the model house
This
that
is
I always...
not the model house.
That's the model house.
That's not the model. Hello.
Hindi, naikot lang kami, tinitingnan namin yung mga bahay. Pero doon kami, pupunta kami sa ano.
We go up this way. and get
This is
on.
the model house that I always see in
No,
in
that's not the one
Facebook.
we were looking. We looked
No.
at. No.
I know. But there's a lot still. Oh. Yeah, probably they thought like we are lost. Oh, ganda. But it's not like totally developed. Like a lot of people I think like, oh, the bus. So where
This
you gonna
way?
go? Yeah, I think so. And the others. Ayan guys, hotel and water park. What's in there?
Huh? Probably. They're gonna have the.
Ito yung condo. Condominium. If you want to have a condominium here. This one is a nice spot though. This condominium. It's small but it's a good spot for overlooking. Condominium guys. But I think it's more nicer the other one, the one that we had. Because there's a golf course.
Yeah.
Rather than this station one. O, diba guys? Okay. Oh, see? Mga condo din yan. Condominium. It's a condominium. Yan, condo. Condo ng Kamaya. This one is a good spot though. See? If you are in the, like, you know.
Well, we can't check in yet anyway.
Huh?
Until we can't park here, we can't check in. Too early.
Oh, that's nice. We can't?
Honey, it's too early. It's not even 11 o'clock. It's only 11 o'clock.
So what time we will?
Well, I don't know, but not maybe
Oh,
we'll go down to the beach area.
okay. Golf villas.
waves out there.
Oh. Looks like they
Little
don't have an
waves, yeah. Oh,
inflatable.
yeah. Huh?
The inflatable was gone.
They won't be there now. It's too rough.
Pagbaba nyo guys, beachfront na. Oh, di ba? Guys, oh, may airport oh.
It's 2
Airport.
kilometers. That's a long ways away.
For the airport?
Yeah. Should we go look at the condo?
Huh?
Should we go look at the condo?
Actually, Mom Sel said like, I'm gonna call her if we are here already. Oh!
Huh?
Oh, they built something in here now.
The place to park. What are all these people doing here?
There's no?
Huh? Oh shit. Lay vehicles. Oh shit. Well, we can't get up there now?
Huh?
What the heck? I guess we're gonna park in here. Shit.
Oh my God. Kami nakalabas uli para kaming ano ba yung oh. Well, son, Gulf Town, Kamaya? Oh.
Bali ma, magkakaroon din po tayo dito ng Lucid Hotel.
Ah, ganun? Ayos ah.
Dito po sa park po na iba. Diyan po sa malaking lote.
Dito?
Sa may kabila.
Ang galing naman. Alam mo, maganda dito talaga pag fully developed na to, talagang ganda. Dito na siguro kami titira niyan. Oh, nag-ano na sila. Oh, may ano na.
Sa second building.
Second building. Oh, at least
So
they
we
have
do-
already,
Huh?
they already have a, what do you call that? Like post or something. Tama-tama talaga, magtatagal pa kami sa US tapos ano, pagbalik
that's-
namin.
Okay.
Ganda. That's it. Oh.
Put the window down so you can see.
Oh. No, hindi na yan.
So,
Titingin lang
okay,
yan.
so when this one's done, you think it's going to be, this one be done by the end of next year?
First quarter of next year.
That's going to be done by the first quarter?
Ang second building.
Oh,
And the third building will start.
okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to be,
Ah, okay.
when we finally get the visa for it. That's okay. Just wanted to see how they were doing. And I mean, they were down
Eh,
in the
may
bottom.
nakatira na
before.
to, Ma'am Sel? Na in-
Mga gamit na po yung property
Ah.
owner.
Ah, okay.
Naglilipat na po sila.
Nai-enjoy na nila yung kamaya. Ang ganda dito ng ano. Ito yung nagustuhan namin eh. Pero kung nauna siguro to, Ma'am Sel, hindi na kami kukuha ng lote. Kaso nauna yung lote eh.
Side.
Pero gusto pa rin namin pag ano. No, but it should be old. Still nice. Wala, ang ganda no.
Yeah.
Yan o. Yung likod, no? Kwendo. Hindi na ako nag-ano. Hindi na ako gumawa ng iba. Isa na lang, yun na lang yung inag kita. Pero may page ako. Yun nga, inaalok ko nga yung, ano, yung bahay ba. Kaso marami ako, sinusundan ako ng mga basher ko. Pero ang mga basher ko, inaalok ko. Sabi ko, kasi niyayabangan ako ng mga property nila. Ayabangan ko din sila. Sabi ko gano'n. Dali, kumuha na kayo sa Kamayakos para kapitbahay tayo. Tapos may video, di ba may video ako nung ano, hindi pa yun, yung
Opo,
sa
yung
doon.
mga-
Oo, yung atin,
sa model
ano,
house.
model house. So, pinost ko, sabi ko, inaalo ko nga pati mga basher ko. Sabi ko, dali, oh, ano, kaya nyo dito lang, tag 32,000 to 500. Pang-asar na ano pang-asar na pang-alok, o, di ba? Malay mo, kukuha sila, o, di ba?
Oh, that's for golf carts.
Different for the
Okay.
first.
Dito yung model house na, oh. The model
Ayun
house
po, the
here.
model house.
Remember before when we got here?
What? The model
The
house?
model house is here.
Oh, I didn't know that. I guess we did go up here then.
Nakalimutan nyo niya kasi.
Right.
Okay.
Sa right tayo.
This is the corner lot, sir.
Ay, ito ba yan?
Isa may kabilang kanto po.
Ah, kabilang kanto.
Yun na yun, ma'am. Mataas na location to, ma'am.
Kaya nga, ang ganda oh.
Ganda nitong corner lot po na to.
Which lot?
Oh, this lot.
The
Right,
left.
right here?
Yeah. That lot, sir.
Oh guys, bili na kayo dito guys. Napakaganda. Yan yung model house. Guys. Uy, ang ganda, Ma'am Sel.
Ma'am, pwede kayo magpatayo dito.
Ba't dati hindi yan available dati?
Hindi po.
Bakit?
Ino-open lang po kasi ito, ma'am, pag pagka lahat po ng talagang magagandang ino-open po nila yan pag nagpa-price increase.
Ah, okay. Alang
How far does
ganda.
this lot go
My
back
love,
to the
oh.
next street there?
Yes, sir. This one
Ang
is very
ganda.
nice. Much more lower elevation compared to this. This one is the higher elevation.
Guys, oh. Ganda ng house. Pwede ba yung model house ko lang ang na-video ko nito? Ala.
Ito, ma'am, bagong bahay din to eh.
Oo nga.
Kakatayo lang po nito.
Ay!
Tapos lang. This one.
Baka yan yung sa ano, yung parang nurse yata sa US sila. Tapos veterinary yung asawa niya. Dito daw yung bahay nila eh.
Tapos yung katabi po niyan, ma'am, kliyente ko rin po.
Oh,
Yung katabing lot.
This is the one we went in?
yeah.
Yes, sir. This is the one we went before.
Okay.
Ang ganda pala nito. Hindi ko masyado kasi itong naano
This one, sir, is
dati.
almost 300 square meter the lot.
Oh, ganda guys. Oh, model
Oh,
house.
the lot was? Yeah, lot is? 300?
Yes, sir.
Oh, see.
Ah, so same size. Ay, 300
No,
but
300.
395.
Yes, sir. 300 300.
Oh guys. Guys, kuha na kayo guys. Oh, ganda ng bahay. Ay, dito. Yeah. Here. Para makabenta si Ma'am Sel. O, di ba guys? Oh. Ito 300 square meter to. Okay. Ta-da-da!
Here, sir. Left.
Left.
Left?
Left.
Left?
Right.
Right?
Okay.
Ah, okay. Diyan.
Yes, ma'am. Yung mga
So, sayang.
dito.
Kaso noon hindi ko pa kilala to eh.
Opo, ma'am.
Gagi. Guys, bili na kayo. Nagpo-post nga ako eh para ay, ganda ng Kamaya.
Hmm?
Mga ilang years kaya ito ma-fully developed, Ma'am Sil, no? Yung fully developed talaga.
90% lang po itong station 1.
Oh.
Ano po kasi ma'am, pagka ganito naman po kasi, wala talaga siyang as in fully developed. Kasi yung
Ay, oo.
every year, iba-iba yung mindset niya.
Ah,
Iba-iba yung gusto niyang mangyari.
kaya nga.
Dati
Pero at
po-
least,
Opo,
dito ang
ito
ganda
yung
na.
golf course, yan. Kasi po, dati wala namang pong plan magka-condo talaga. Ngayon po, ayan.
tapos ngayon meron pa uli
Opo.
bago. Ano
Every
to? Golf Villas. Ay, ano to? Itong isa. Ano ba to? Ang bago
Golf
niya.
Town.
Sunrise, oh.
Golf town po.
Golf
Commercial,
town.
mga commercial.
Oh,
ano po.
my love, oh, you're close to the golf.
Yeah, I
Golf
see.
course. Oh, tignan mo
You
yung
should
bahay
start
doon.
practicing how to palo. How to...
Marunong yan? May golf.
Oh,
You see,
okay.
Then, I'm going
Sige.
here, ma'am. Then, ayusin ko po.
Ah, sige.
Para mamaya maisip
Ah, sige,
ko po
Ma'am
agad.
Sel. Thank you so much. Kakain sana tayo.
Busog po ako. Kakakain ko.
Ah, ganda naman, oh.
I was going to get run over by the...
I wanna ride. Ang ganda.
Opo, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sige.
tawagin niyo ako pag may kailangan po.
Ah, sige.
Dito lang po.
Oo. Thank you, Ma'am Sel. Pang snack, gusto ka?
Ano yung 396 ha?
Ah, sige. Napasubo. Guys, son to open. Kamaya San. O, diba guys? Oh. Oh. Yan yung hotel guys. Tingnan nyo yung Kamaya. May golf cart. Golf cart. Taran! Taran! Danan! Dan! Tanan! Yes! Ay, ganda dito. I want rice. Bathroom? Guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Guys, ganda. Ganda ng restaurant nila.
Kung stress na stress ka sa akin sa personal, bisitahin mo ang social media ko. Para stress ka na, haggard ka pa.
Guys, ah. Ganito pag gabi sa Kamayakos. Hmm? Kamayakos. Welcome to the sandbar. Guys, oh.
Hoy! Kung feeling mo, inggit na inggit ako sa'yo, magpa-check up ka na. You're not feeling well.
We'll park it outside so we can hose this thing off. It's all mud.
This
Mud all over
one,
the
this
truck.
one is 180 still? No.
Huh?
This one?
Could be. Just you just got to shape the different direction. Most of these are not. I don't know about this one here. It might. I don't know. It's pretty close.
This?
That's gonna be pretty close to 180. Yeah. Oh, see, that one's for sale. See? Oh, okay.
Oh. This one too is for sale. Oh. The owner of that one is artist. I don't like the way they build their house.
What we want. Come here for weeks, month, whatever.
But looks like the people here are all retired. Like, you know. I don't like that. But I think it's cheap because it's nice too. Oh, a lot of like development here. This is the way out, my love. Mom Sel said, like to go down there in the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the way out rather than the. This house is big too, but it's too far away from the beach. But it's close to the main gate. Look at this. Why you build like a house like that instead of like small house and then guys, ganda ng ano nila dito guys, CR.